In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Adobe Stock Contributor account. To get started, open your web browser and go to contributor.stock.adobe.com. This is the official Adobe Stock Contributor website where creators can sign up and begin uploading content for review and potential sale. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign up with email. Click the sign up with email option to begin creating your account. On the sign up screen, enter your email address in the email field. Make sure you use an email you can access since account related messages and verification details may be sent there later. Next, type in a password for your new account. Choose a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. In most cases, it's a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After entering your email address and password, click Continue. This will take you to the next part of the registration process where Adobe asks for some personal details to complete your account setup. Now type in your first name and then enter your last name in the appropriate field. Be sure to enter your information accurately since these details are typically tied to your account identity. After that, add your date of birth. You'll first enter the day and then complete the month and year as requested on the form. Take a moment here to double check that the date is correct before moving on because errors in personal information can sometimes slow things down later. Next, select your country or region from the drop-down menu. This is important because Adobe uses your location information for account settings and other contributor-related requirements. Choose the correct option carefully to match your actual country or region. Once all of the fields have been filled out, review the information on the screen. It's always worth doing a quick final check to make sure your email, name, birth date, and country or region are entered correctly. This can help you avoid having to go back and fix something after the account is created. When everything looks good, click Create Account. That completes the sign-up process and opens your Adobe Stock Contributor account. At that point, you'll be ready to move forward inside the Contributor platform. If the page takes a few moments to load, that's completely normal, so just give it a second. And that's it! You've successfully started your Adobe Stock Contributor account setup.